Hello web developers, welcome back to our new YouTube channel Stack Crafters where build web development projects together. So today we will start with our first video with a basic project called to-do list using vanilla JavaScript. Vanilla JavaScript means no libraries include, no bootstrap. So we'll start with the simple step-by-step code. Let's start. So first we will see the output window of our project so you will get a better idea what we will build today. So this is the to-do list with named as action plan. So basically to-do list means it's a list of your tasks which will show you which task will be incompleted or which task will be completed. So you can see here task will be added, so it can show you have one pending task, and after the completion of task you can simply delete the task by using button. So the to-do list is very helpful for your task arrangements or your task completion. So it's a very simple features. You can add the list using this add button, you can delete the list, you can delete the task using the delete button or using the delete all buttons, and this will show you how many pending tasks you have. So here is the favicon is added. You can add more features, but it is the only basic program I will show you. So let's move towards the code. So the front end code will be divided into three files. It will be an index.html file, JavaScript file, and our CSS file. So first we have to see the HTML file. So the HTML page is the raw structure of our project. So in this HTML file you will see here we will add some properties. First we will add the favicon property, then we have to set some buttons which will receive the input from the user. So here you see the add new to do buttons which will add the task list. Then at the footer we will have the pending task list. It will show you which task will be pending, and the delete all button. You can also delete all the tasks easily. So now we move towards the JavaScript file and CSS file. So in this JavaScript file, so there will be a required element section. For the project we will require input buttons, then footer buttons, all we discuss in the HTML file. Then there is a first section will be a input section. In the input section there will be a button to receive the input, then it will be a add button, then it will be a remove button, then some required functions are there. Then it will be a show task function, in which section the task which will be added it will be show you. Then it will be a delete task function, in which delete task function, if the task is completed then user want to remove the tasks. Then delete all task function. In this if you all tasks are completed then you can delete all tasks with a one click. So this is JavaScript file. Now the CSS file. In the CSS file, according to the our requirements, we can design the HTML code. So there is the background color, then size, width, padding, the margins, all the required components you can explore more. So all the styling part which will be covered in the CSS files, we can set the various background colors, set various properties. We can add the background image also in the CSS file. So there is the CSS file, JavaScript file, and index.html file. So today's project explanation will be end. If you like the explanation, please show some support, please comment, please subscribe the channel, and also share this channel to your friend circle. We will adding more responsive projects in this channel. So thank you.